Guys, naka-ready na ba kayo? Mag-empake na kayo. Kahit sarili nyo na lang dalhin nyo tsaka toothbrush. Mag side A, side B na lang tayo ng underwear. Samahan nyo ako mag-road trip. Ako magdadrive. Today, maglalaro tayo ng AM. Kailan bakit AM? I guess umaga tayo nagdadrive. Laban Jazz. Start game. Dito tayo sa hard. Easy. Dali lang. Easy na lang. Another horror game demo. Playtime 40 minutes. I should have time for 2 more games after this. Okay. F flashlight. Space handbrake. Ano handbrake? La, bubunggo na tayo. Ano to? Okay. Windshield. Windshield. Wiper. Oh my goodness. Ang dilim. Wait, empty na ba yan? Ay, hindi. Ito pala yung empty. Ata. Malay ko. Ano to? Volume. Demo. Bali, hindi pa to gumagana kasi demo pa lang. Oh my god. Natakot ako sa sarili kong flashlight. My goodness. Oh my god. Sara. Panik agad. Wait. Oh my god, paano ba mag-drive?
And I'm sure it won't be
okay, dandan lang tayo.
I remember as a kid spending far too much time worrying about Judgment Day or whatever doomsday event people said was looming over the horizon. And guess what? Those predictions were happening 50 years ago too.
Magja-Judgment Day na ako agad, wala pang multo. Bubunggo na lang ako sa sarili ko.
In fact, if we were keeping score, we should be on Jesus' 6th or 7th coming by now, and that's in my lifetime alone. So let's just
watch your speed when taking corners. Slow down if you want to maintain control.
But here's what I really want to get across.
Okay.
I hope you're leaning in close for this one.
Okay.
The rapture is not something real.
Oh my god.
It's the fulfillment of God's promise to bring us home to Him for eternity.
Oh my god.
Now,
okay, hindi ako naka-fixer, guys.
It's always perfect. If the rapture came tomorrow, and I'm not saying it will,
guys, ganito dapat mag-drive. Diyan ka lang sa lane mo. Yan, smooth lang. Ano lang, pacing lang, pacing. Oh. Okay. Okay, let's go guys. Oy, wala pa music dyan. Mag-music naman tayo. Wait lang. Bro. Tayo na lang. Ano gusto niyong kanta? Guys, marunong ako mag-drive, promise. Nasaan ako? Ano pala? Kakagaling ko lang BGC. Kakagaling ko lang sa mga party-party. Okay. What the fuck? What the fuck was that? Break. What the heck? Wait, bumunggo lang ba ako? Bumunggo lang ba ako? Oh my god. What the frick was that? What the heck was that? Oh my god. Mali ata tong game na to. Hindi dapat na ako naglaro. Ayoko na maglaro. Takot ako maglaro. Guys. Ang hirap na hanapin na problema kung paano mag-drive. Iniisip ko pa kung merong stop. Oh my god. Saan tayo pupunta? Oh. Oh well. Oh. Reverse tayo. Tapos, dito na tayo dumaan. Ang hirap talaga. Okay, hindi. Kaya. Let's go. Ang driving home. Oh my goodness. What happened here, bro? Well, paano mag-interact? Flashlight ka lang. Oh my god. Ano yan? Well, there's blood. Diyos ko po. Diyos ko po! May aswang! Diyos ko po, may aswang. I'm so scared. Wait, ano ba to? Mama namin.
Back to the music.
Sumasalangit ka. Ah, yes. At least may music na. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go. Kaya natin to. Oh! Oh! Oh. I feel like may masamang mangyayari. Even with the music on. Oh. Okay lang. Sige lang guys. Malayo pa tayo. Medyo malayo pa tayo papuntang Tagaytay. Ano yan? 2 hours away from Manila. Oh. Help? Help? Bakit? Ah guys, help. Bakit gano'n yung tunog? Oh my god. Kinakaman ako. Okay. Oh. Pero off na lang natin yung radyo kung ganyan lang din. Okay. Sabi ko Tagaytay, hindi Balete Drive eh. Bakit para lasang may lalabas ng white lady? Oh my goodness. Ay, floor ko na lang kaya tong gas. Oh my god. Oh. Hindi ko nakita. Ah! Wait. Kalma. Kalmahan mo lang. Ano ba? Ayusin nyo nga yung pag-vibes nyo. Oh my god. Okay. Guys. Ayoko na. Okay. Kaya natin. Samahan nyo lang ako. Dito lang kayo. Uy. Hello? Hello, naliligaw po ba kayo? Gusto niyo po ba What the? Stop. Kailangan ka mag-stop. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, let's do this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Yuck. Yuck. Jesus, help. Ano yan? Hold. Release. What? Oh my god. I love you, Jesus. Use your newfound faith to fight back. Fully charging the flashlight will increase your damage. Careful, the power of Christ will drain your battery. Jesus, take the wheel. It's attracted to light and movement. Stopping at rest stop will refresh your battery, mind, and car. Rest stop also serve as checkpoints. Okay, let's go. Oh! Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Thank you so much. Oh. Balik. What if stay na lang tayo dito? Okay. I have the power of Christ. Power of Christ with me. The radio will react to its presence. Fight, hide, and prepare for anything as you search for a way forward. Good luck. Parang sa Silent Hill. Okay. Oh my god. Let's go. Dito na lang tayo sa simbahan. Baba na tayo dito sa simbahan. Wait, what? Wait, what? Saan tayo punta? Wait, are we actually gonna go? Ah, dito. Oh my god. Like, how would I even know kung saan dadaan? Oh my god! Andito yung kanina. Oh my god. Oh, mali. Oh my god. This is it. This is it, guys. I love you, Jesus. Jessica po. Oh my god. Di ko na alam kung saan ako dumadaan, guys. Okay, don't be scared. Don't be scared. God is with me. Don't be scared. God is with me. I have the power of praise with me. Oh my god. Okay, let's go here. Wait. If it's playing
with you down the road with Pastor Todd Roberts.
Okay.
Now let's get to this letter from Abigail out in Bellevue.
Ay, yun nga sinasabi ko. If tumutunog siya ng normal, walang mumu, right?
And it's really helped me over the years. Best Christian
Okay.
program in the country.
Oh my god, paikot-ikot ba ako?
Watching TV together, and I'm sure you've seen it too, since it's getting harder and harder to avoid all the talk about Judgment Day this and Rapture
Judgment
that.
Day.
While we were watching, my daughter
I just had an epiphany. Ako ang judgment ng mumu na yun. Let's go, guys. I'm not scared anymore. I'm gonna give judgment dun sa cheerleader na yun.
Luckily, she's young and went back to playing with her toys after I told her I wasn't sure. She didn't dwell on it, but she had me thinking all night.
Okay.
Can you help me out? I want to give my daughter the right answer.
Let's go.
I want to know myself. Abigail, that is a great question. I believe the answer is in 1
Oh my god, ang hina ko pa naman sa
Cannot
maps.
inherit the kingdom of God, nor does the perishable
I'll just keep going, right?
What he's saying is that our earthly bodies aren't built for heaven. They wear out, they get sick, and they age.
I'm telling you guys, mauunahan pa akong magkaroon ng concussion.
That's the part
Oh my god.
God created to last forever. So when the time comes, it's our spirit, not these temporary fragile bodies that will be.
Oh my gosh.
And if she starts to worry, remind her that
Okay, I'll give judgment to you, girl. Come here. I don't care anymore. La, ito ang sinasabi nilang fight or flight.
And thank you, Abigail, for rotting into the show. I hope you got the answer you were looking for. We got a lot of music coming up in the next hour, so stay tuned.
Oh my gosh. I love you, Jesus. I love you, Jesus. Oh my god. This is so hard. It's getting hard to drive around here. Especially, hindi ko alam kung saan pupunta. Oh. I'll give judgment to you, girl. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Let's go. Oh, please, come on. Gas station ba yan? Oh my god, gas station. What if I just stay here? Oh. Wait, naka-off ba yung ilaw ko? Yan. Ano ba yan? Okay, ito na talaga. Diyos ko po. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, I swear. I swear, may nakita ko mata doon sa likod. Oh my god, I am watching you. Waiting for me to fail?
They want to devour you.
What? But don't. Oh my god. Oh my god, what's happening? Oh my god, I'm just gonna drive. What? What's happening, bro? Oh my god, I'm just gonna keep driving. Oh my god, I'm stuck. Oh my god. Ah! Wait. Oh my god. Ah, ito. Okay. Sheesh. Nasaan na yun? Nasaan na yung lokalokang yun? Wala. Wala. Sheesh, man. Wait, I think I went the wrong way. Okay. Okay. Wait, reverse tayo. Hindi ko kasi na-realize agad na kailangan mo palang i-wipe. Like that. Wala na akong pake. I-charge ko na to. Fully charge. Shut up, bro. Shut up, bro. Come at me. Come at me, bro. You're mine. Pakita ka muna. Date mo muna ako. Ano ka, bro? Pwede naman first date muna. Maligaw ka muna. You're mine agad. Ano ka, bro? Para ka Shira. Wala. Sheesh, bro. Nabug ko na ba yung game? Kasi parang ayaw niya na magpakita. Ayaw niya na magpakita nung nag-charge ako. Oh shit. Saan ka, bro? Oh. Ah. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh, my car. Yung kotse ko, busok na. Meron bang repair shop dyan? Oh my gosh. It's like, nasa tabi ko na lang. Oh. Okay. Like guys, kailangan ka ng tagagawa ng car. Oh my god. Jesus, take the wheel. Diyos ko po. Is this gonna repair? Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's drive more carefully this time. Okay. Let's drive more carefully this time. I love you, Jesus. See, kaya naman pala. Kaya naman pala mag-drive ng matino. Ano to? What? Okay, let's go here. It looks kinda interesting. Whoa. Actually, I don't know kung saan tayo papunta. Drive more carefully this time. What the heck is this? Pwede ba dumaan? No? I guess not. Wait. Oh. Oh my god. It's so creepy. Where are you? Oh. Oh. What? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wala nang road. Hindi ko na alam saan papunta. Okay, wait. So, naka-sarado yan, diba? So, let's go back.
You better start running.
Down to Crazy Bob's used cars. Fair slashing prices to get you a killer deal on vans, trucks, and SUVs.
Ang creepy ng cheerleader
You'll never find a
girl.
deal in all of Gooseberry County. When you're in
Actually, every time na lumalabas sila, I know it's easy. Like,
to get your hands on
eh?
one of our sedans with so much trunk space, you'll never have to make a second trip again.
Bro.
But don't walk. Run!
Oh!
Crazy Bob
Ayan
is
o.
only a real
Oh my
psycho
god,
now.
kinikilabutan ako every time. Alam ko madali lang yung level na pinili ko. But like... But like, ang creepy pa rin pagka nakikita ko sila.
Your hairy new Yeti friend from high
Ah.
Squeeze his belly to hear him talk.
Okay, I guess I'm okay kung nagpe-play pa yung...
Big toothy grin.
Wow, he's so cool.
Pull the
Kung
lever in his
nagpe-play
back
pa
and give him a
yung
thumbs up.
radio.
Let me play with him. No!
With a tug of the ripcord to watch him spew goo.
Well, I'd never.
And with a simple turn of the crank, you can unhinge his jaw. With
What the
Alphabet
heck
Door
is that
control,
commercial
on
anyway?
his chest and type in the number sequence to activate.
Armor mode.
When Alpha Buddy is in,
Okay,
nobody can tell you
okay,
Mother, I'm staying up past the
okay, I guess I'll go here.
nothing you can do about it.
Oh, battery, thank you.
Electronics, anything is possible.
Thank you.
Love my Alpha
Wait,
buddy.
feel ko nandyan siya. Where are you, bro?
You're listening to Trinity 24. County, 24 hours of faith, and God's love. Your home for inspiring music.
Okay, 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 be careful.
Of God. We now
Okay.
return to the replay of With You Down the Road with your host, Pastor Todd Roberts. Recorded
Oh
on
my God.
October 15th.
Hello?
Oh my gosh, yung
Hello,
car ko.
hello, and welcome back.
Okay, ito na,
Before we
papatunayan.
get to the music, I was told
What I
by
was
the city
gonna
to
say
mention
is
that
papatunayan ko na
we
na
now have
sinabi
an
kong
email address.
I'll be
If you
careful in
prefer,
driving.
Or if you want to save a few cents on postage, you can now
What?
email us instead of writing
See that maneuver?
You can contact the show in the online address, or it'll still end up on paper for me.
My goodness.
Did I get all that right?
My
Okay,
goodness.
I'm getting a thumbs up from the engineer. Email's a computer thing, right?
Okay.
Okay, I got another thumbs up. I'm
Okay,
getting
let's
laughed at
just
now.
go.
Listen, young man.
I don't...
I saw what computers do to kids like you. I have a grandson.
Kinakabahan pa rin ako every time.
One of the smartest kids I've ever
Like,
met, but when he gets on that
as
thing, his
in...
face just goes blank and he stares at the screen. Not a smile, not a frown, barely moving for hours. Staring at the screen.
Don't shake your head, it's all true. You used to do it all day, and now you stare at the screen every time I go visit my
Hey, asan ka? Asan ka? Asan ka? Sheesh, ikaw lang pala. Whoa. What?
Listen, live a simple life
La.
and things stay simple.
Bitch.
Anyway,
La.
I'll let you...
Okay, dyan ka na naman. Pwede ba? I'm not an Uber, bro. Wait, what? Dito ako galing, right? Dito ako galing. So, if I continue here... Diyos ko po. Asa na ako? Ba? If I continue here, I should be out in no time. Okay, wait lang. May sakay ng sakay kasi sa... Diyos ko po. Ah! Bro! Bro? Yeah. Medyo nasanay na ako sa'yo, bro. Just tell me kung saan paano lumabas. Mas nahihirapan ako lumabas at this point. Well, that's new. Well, I think that's new yung... Bro, wala na akong pang flashlight, bro. Hindi ko na napapansinin. Ayun, baterya. Bitch. I got you now, bitch. Saan ka na? Medyo nasanay na ako sa kanya. Kasi na-stuck ako ng matagal. And this is easy mode, so like... Guys, please help me. Okay. Okay, what the heck is that? Loves me just as... Oops. You know what? Feel ko pinagtatawanan na ako nung... Pinagtatawanan na ako nung ghost. Like, wag na nating multuhin to. Wag na nating multuhin to. Mamamatay na to sa sarili niya. Diyan ka na naman. Oh. Like, could you stop? I'm trying to find my way out. Okay. Okay, at least nasa road na ako again. Okay, mali na naman po. Okay. Let's go. Stay on the road. Let's go, guys. Malapit na tayo sa Tagaytay. Magbayad na kayo. Mag-chip in na kayo sa toll gate. At mahal ang toll gate, guys. Ito na. Oh, mga BBB dyan. Tabago pa. You know what? If hindi to easy mode, feel ko namatay na ako. Diyos ko, saan ko dadaan? Pero I think yun yung point ba ng road trip. It's like hindi mo alam kung saan ka dadaan. Kaya enjoy mo lang. Just enjoy the ride, guys. Sit back and relax. See? Nakadating din tayo sa ating destination. Just sit back. Ganun din sa life. Sit back and relax and enjoy the little things in life. Huwag ka magmamadali. Pag nagmadali ka, kulang-kulang ang mga sandali. Wah! Nick. Parang halos wala na nga akong pake ko. Okay, charge mo na natin. Let's go. Nandyan siya eh. Oh, sabi ko sa'yo, bawal ka ditong sumakay. Nagsusuka ka eh. Ayoko sa nagsusukang passenger. Diba siya yung sumuka kanina? Okay, dito tayo. Paakyat tayo kasi pupunta nga tayong Tagaytay. What the fuck? Oh, what the fuck? Bro? Bro? Oh my god, hindi nakakatulong yung... Hindi nakakatulong yung radio. Sinamalaban Taylor Swift dyan. Ayaw niya magpatugtog ng ano, OPM. Ano? Wala naman. Oh. Sabi ko, bawal ka sa backseat, pumunta sa front seat. Pumunta sa passenger. Ang galing mo. Oh, ay, baterya pala. Oh, wait. Kunin natin. Kunin natin, guys. Kailangan to para sa aircon. Wait, what? Have I been here before? Oh my god. Ah! Bro! Bro, please, bro. Stop. Oh. Ayan, nabunggo tuloy ako. Shut up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Talaga? Dalawa kayo? Talaga? Tandem kayo? O ano pa? Sino pa? Mga pakshit. Oh, hindi. Tara dito. Oh my god. Yeah. Goodness. Ayoko sa nagsusuka sa car. Asi mo, be. Ayoko sa'yo, nagsusuka sa car. Sino tingin mo maglilinis nun, ha? Reset? Okay lang kayo dyan. Let's go.
Now tomorrow we've got an even bigger show lined up, if you can believe it. Tons of surprises. God bless you all.
End of the road. Oh my god. Thank you. Nandito na ba? Ay, Diyos ko po. 1 hour. One easy. Oh. Ano na naman yan? Ano yan, baboy? Lechon? Ay, di pa luto. Okay. Ayoko na tingnan. Where do I go, bro? End of the road, pero meron pa. Ito ba yung road? Hello? Ano ka? Walang ulo? my god, wala nga ulo. I'm sorry. Wala ka na nga ulo, nabunggo pa kita. Oh my god, wala na akong pang-charge. Okay, so like may mga baboy. Oh my god, nasa Cebu. Nakaabot ba tayo ng Cebu? With all the lechon. I'm so freaking lost. What the heck? Oh, ayun. Ayun. Or nabug ko lang ba? Like, kailangan ko bang bungguin tong mga to? Ah! I'm sorry. Sinadya ko. What the heck? Ano to? What the heck? Hello? Ayun. Mas kailangan ko siyang bungguin every time. Ah! I don't know why, pero parang feel ko kailangan ko siyang bungguin. Oh. Like, parang siyang... Ah. Okay. Oh, the horror. House loans. What? Ooh. Guys. And dito na yung Airbnb natin. Iyok yung ano ang tingnan. Wala na akong power of Christ to. Oh my god. Maybe I'll just follow tong... Bring it around town. Bring it around town. What the heck? Ooh. Ooh. Let's just drive. What the freak? What the freak? Wait lang. Oh, ito na banggo yun. Okay, okay, we're going somewhere. Yo. Oh. Parang na-mirror na siya. Okay. Like, sino ka ba? Okay. Oh, wala na. Wag na kayo magmulto. Oh, ew. Oh, bro. What? Yeah. Oh. The heck? Oh, di ko makita. Doesn't matter. Don't look back, bro. Oh. Okay. Let's go to the tunnel. Oh. Sorry about that. Yo, what is this, bro? Where are we? Guys, sorry, naligaw ko kayo. Tagaytay lang dapat pupuntahan natin. Kung saan na tayo dumating. Saan na tayo nakapunta. Of course, wrong way. Bro. No, bro. Oh my goodness. Stop it, bro. But you know what? Let's just... Ooh. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Okay lang ba kayo dyan? Hindi ko na kayo ibubunggo, guys. Sorry. Hindi ko na kayo ibubunggo, guys. Masyado nang naalog yung mga utak niya. Oh my god. Nandito na naman ako. Mali ba pinasukan ko? Ah! What? I'm... Where am I? Hindi ko na kayo bubunggo. Marunong na ako mag-drive, guys. Oh. Bro. Sabi ko, di ko na kayo bubunggo. Hindi ko na kayo ibubunggo. Pero siya bubunggoin ko. So, I don't know. Parang feel ko tama lang na bunggo. Parang siyang like, ano ba yun? Checkpoint or something. Wonder if you know how to live in Tokyo. If you see it, you can feel it, then you know you have to go. Tama ba lyrics ko? Oh, what the freak is that, bro? Ang ganda ng painting, I guess. Ganda ng mural. Diyos ka po. Diyos ka po, ito, bangin. Whee! See, di ko kayo bilanggo. Wait. So, ito ay driving simulator instead of like... Oh, what? No, pupunta tayo dyan. Guys. I'm so scared, guys. Yoko. Parang may way dito. Dito na lang tayo pumunta. Punta tayo dun. Wala palang way dito. I guess punta tayo dito. Okay. Punta tayo. Oops. Dito daw. Bro. Okay. Hindi fun tong road trip na to. Wala man lang nagdala ng chichirya. Alam niyo, gusto ko sa mga road trip. Sa mga outing. Pagka nagsistop over, madaling araw. I mean, di madaling araw. Pagka umaga na, tas nag-stop over ka sa mga gas station. Parang saya-saya lang mag-breakfast. Ang saya ng breakfast knowing na may maganda kang destination na pupuntahan. Actually, dapat kahit everyday. Dapat everyday. In-appreciate nyo. Be happy everyday. What the fuck was that? Exactly, what the fuck was that? What was any of that? What did I see? Should I play it again? No. 10 out of 10, no. Half of my playthrough is missing. Oh, I hope not, kasi it's not corrupted. But it never leaves the end screen. Thanks for playing. The mouse is moving and the music keeps looping. What the fuck? Over and over. What? Whatever. Whatever. illegal shutdown. It's not a long game. One more playthrough won't kill me. Ayoko na. Kayo na lang. Kayo na lang. Brock Boys games. And that is it. And that is AG. I swear it was called AM. AG? AG? What? Quit game. Yes. Yung dulo, I swear AM yung title. Bakit yung dulo AG? So, buti na lang easy yung kinuha ko. Kasi kung hindi, Diyos ko pa umiyak na ako. Madalas naliligaw na ako. Wala ata akong sense ng direction. Libre lang yung game. So, kung gusto nyo na rin, check na lang yung link down below kung saan siya pwede i-download. Tapos sa road trip nyo guys, sasamahan nyo pa ba ako next time? Okay na to. Thanks guys sa pagsama sa road trip na to. Kayo na mag-drive next time. And that is it for AM. Sana nagustuhan nyo tong trip na to. And if you did, please leave a like. Nakakatulong yun sa channel. At subscribe na rin kayo kung malakas yung trip nyo. Ingat kayo guys. Baka may sumunod sa biyahe. See you in the next transmission. BD Gloop. Bye-bye! Guys, marunong ako mag-drive, promise. Nasaan ako? Diyos ko po, may aswang. I'm so scared. Uy, hello? Hello, naliligaw po ba kayo? Gusto niyo po ba mag... What the... Oh my god! Where are you, bro? What the fuck? Kunin natin guys. Kailangan to para sa aircon.